guess what this is? This is, and I don't know how I got so lucky, this is the 140 colors from Roman Smalts. That's all the colors they have. I'm just so blown away by their kindness in sending me these. So I thought we'd do a unpacking video in this video, and then we'll have a series of videos swatching every single color from Roman Smalts. So not only have they sent me the 140 watercolors, but amazingly and beautifully, they've also sent me a hand-painted version of the color chart, which is absolutely stunning and incredibly hard work. That's beautiful. Apparently they only give this out for demonstrators and people that do art shows and sell their paint. So I am incredibly grateful that they would be so generous as to send me this. It's done on Fabriano 60% cotton paper as well. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, you guys. It is amazing. So yeah, let's get started with the unwrapping. I'm slightly concerned because a lot of these are unlabeled, and I don't remember Roman Smalts pans being labeled on the pans themselves. And I see red here, so we'll see how it goes. So I've just pulled out the first couple, and they are both numbered, but they are definitely not in the right order. So I am gonna rearrange them in the right order first. A quick description of what Roman Smalts paints are about. I've taken this from Jackson's website, and it says Aquarius is a range of artist quality watercolors made by Roman Smalts. 117 out of 140 colors are single pigment paints, which ensures clean mixing and lets artists easily create their own color palette. Each color is made with high quality gum arabic and glycerin, linden honey, distilled water and pure pigments. Every pan is hand filled and labeled with watercolor paper. Colors are made in small batches that allow them to be carefully checked. Every batch is tested for performance qualities, vibrancy, flowing abilities, viscosity, color value, transparency, granulation, undertone, tinting strength, clarity, and particle size. For each color, Roman Smalts selects the perfect grind to match the particle size. It was really satisfying to rearrange the numbers because I love organizing things and categorizing things. So to arrange them in the number groups and then into the order that comes in the color chart. So that was quite a lot of fun for me. So that's a little bit about Roman Smalts. They are a Polish company. I had so much fun opening these, and I have to say, having to open 140 pans, I was incredibly grateful that the set that they sent me didn't come with all the watercolor paper bands, because they can take extra time to take off. Of course, when you buy a set from places like Jackson's and the standard sets that they sell, they will come with the watercolor paper band with the color swatched onto the paper so you can see what colors you have. But for me, I was so grateful that only a few of them had those bands. It was really easy to open them because of that, and didn't take too long. They're usually packaged with the watercolor paper band and then the foil, and then it comes with a grease-proof paper on top of the pans. Now, you will notice in this video, because the paints are so soft on some of them, that the paints really stick to the greaseproof paper. If that bothers you, I have a quick tip, and that is to just pop it in the freezer, but also ensure you set a timer for about 3 minutes. I always recommend 3 to 5 minutes, but definitely set a timer because you do not want to be freezing the paint completely. But by doing that, it just hardens the paint, and you should be able to take the paper off your pans quite easily. So I peeled all 140 colors. It was really delightful to see all the different colors appearing from underneath the greaseproof paper. I put the pans in a weird diagonal back into the trays that they came in, and I'm only doing that because I am planning to make a palette or a holder for these watercolors myself later on, and it just makes it a lot easier to grab them out of the current packaging if I just leave them diagonal. The paints, from what I can tell, a lot of them are very soft. That would be the honey and the glycerin that's in it, so they should be really easy to re-wet. I cannot wait to swatch these colors for you, and I will be doing that. I think I'm going to group the colors to 20 colors per video, because more than that is going to get too long per video and you guys are going to get bored, and I really don't want you guys to get bored watching these paints being swatched, because they are beautiful and they are several colors that are very unique to this brand, and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So I'm going to be making 7-part series with 20 colors in each video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to that, because I'm definitely looking forward to making those videos for you and swatching these colors for you. Huge thanks to Roman Small for sending me these for free. However, just because they sent me an enormous amount of free watercolor doesn't mean I'm not going to give you guys my honest opinion. This video and all other videos I'm making about Roman Smalls are not sponsored. They haven't paid me to make these videos, but I want to honor them for sending me these paints. However, with the videos being unsponsored, it means I can give you my complete honest answers. I wouldn't take a sponsorship from any company that won't allow me to give you guys my honest opinion on the products anyway. So you can be sure that I am going to give you my honest opinion on every single one of these colors. Huge thanks to Roman Smalls for sending me the entire range. That has never happened to me, and I am totally shocked that it has, and I'm incredibly grateful for their generosity. Thank you so much for watching me unbox these gorgeous colors. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!